Alright, this is Blood on Sweden back again with another Sourcemod plugin tutorial. I've been getting some requests lately for a advertisement plugin, so here it is. For you who don't know what a advertisement is, it's just a message being printed somewhere on the screen. Now this plugin that I will use is quite old, but it still does its job just perfectly, so I don't see any problem with that, and it's very simple to install and configure. So it has some options to it. You can either print the message in the center of the screen, to the top left corner, in the bottom left corner, which means the chat box, and so on. So let's get to it. First of all, go to Allied Modders. You will find the link in the video description. Scroll down until you see the attached files box and click get plugin, as well as advertisement.txt. Right, once downloaded, just open up your server folders, go inside orange box, C-Strike, add-ons, Sourcemod. Now you want to place the SMX file in the plugins folder, so just drag it in there. And you want to place the txt file in the configs folder. Alright, to set this up, just open up the text file, and here is where we configure our messages and where they will be printed. You can see that everything is explained, so this shouldn't be a problem. So let's begin with number 1 here. You can see the type is set to C, meaning center message. Now I only want messages to be printed in the bottom left, where all the chat messages is printed as well. So I'm just going to type S right there, and then of course change the text to whatever you like. Yeah. Alright, let's continue with number 2, type. You can change this again to whatever you like. If you want all the messages to be printed in the center of the screen, just have a C. But I only want to have the same message again, so I'm going to change that. Any issues? Contact Bloodon. Right, next says type M, which is a menu message. So the message will look like it's inside of a menu, but you won't see any buttons. 0 will still close the menu, but you won't see the actual 0 dot close. Alright, but I'm again going to use a same message, and right here we have some commands, meaning next map is, then inside of brackets sm_next map will show which map will be next. It's quite self-explanatory in the time left of your current round. Alright, if you look up here in the types in the description, you can see that S messages as well as T messages can have different colors. So if I wanted to change the color of this from the default color, I could just type in a bracket. Let's see, what do I want? Light green, and then a bracket and a space between them, and that will now print in light green. But this only works for the S and the T, the same message and the top message. Right, so just set this up however you want it, and once you're done, just save it, and that's really it. There are some things you can change with the CVARs. So if you load up your server, there you go, you can for instance change the time between when the messages are being printed. By default it's 30 seconds, and it cycles through them one by one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't want a message being typed out every 30 seconds. So I'm going to change this by this command, sm_, advertisements underscore let's see, interval, and I'm going to change this to 250 seconds between each message. So every 250 seconds a message will be printed. So yeah, there you go. It's not any harder than that. I hope this helps, and I will see you the next time.